Are you having trouble having the wheel wells look super nice and black? Well, the answer to that is the water-based dressing sprayed in the wheel wells. Today we're going to be applying 915 universal dressing to the wheel wells. The purpose is to make it look black and even. You want to apply it with an even mist, starting from the bottom, go all the way around to the top, then I go back over to this bottom, spray it. You can apply it to carpeted wheel wells or black plastic. We apply this to the wheel well so it looks really black and even while sitting on the lot. And by using a water base, it will not attract dirt, so it'll dry evenly and just look nice for quite a while. An added bonus to use the 915 universal dressing or any silicone-based product is when you go to rewash the vehicle, if the wheel wells have been coated, the dirt and grime will come out a lot easier the second time. So by applying dressing to the wheel wells, it's just an easy trick to make your wheel wells look good sitting on the lot or for when the customer comes and picks up the car.